Students, I hope everybody is keeping fine. But today we are going to start our new chapter, that is spectrum. If you are remembering, in lesson number 4 we did beta this angle of deviation. Angle of deviation, it depends upon angle of incidence, angle of prism and refractive index. These three factors were there on which angle of deviation was depending. Then beta, this refractive index is speed of light in air divided by speed of light in medium. It means this refractive index and speed of light, they are inversely proportional to each other, because speed of light in air is same, it doesn't vary. But when the light will enter in the medium, its speed will change. So mu and speed, they are inversely proportional to each other. Then बच्चे, next formula we did, C is equal to F lambda. C is velocity of light or speed of light, F is frequency and lambda is wavelength. When the ray goes from one medium to another medium, speed of light will change, wavelength will change, but its frequency will never change. So this refractive index, it depends upon wavelength also. Now speed and wavelength, they are directly proportional to each other. It means mu, this mu, it is inversely proportional to wavelength also, because mu is inversely proportional to speed. That is why mu is inversely proportional to wavelength. The color which will be having least wavelength, its deviation will be more, and if its wavelength will be more, its deviation will be less. Then after that beta, Sir Isaac Newton, he gave us the this one visible spectrum. What he did, he allowed the white light to enter into the dark room, and he kept a small aperture in a window or anywhere we can keep a small aperture. Through that aperture white light will enter, and in the path of white light he kept the prism. Then बच्चे, this is the white screen, and what he noticed, this white light, when it will enter the prism, it will split into 7 colors. That 7 colors are, it starts from the bottom with pure violet color will be at the bottom, red color will be at the top, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now all the at the first surface, when the light is striking at the surface AB, here dispersion will take place. Why dispersion will take place? Because now the light is entering in the medium, different colors are there, because white light is breaking itself into 7 colors. That process is called as dispersion. At this phase dispersion will take place, because speed of light of all the colors, it will be different. When the light, all the 7 colors, when they will strike at the surface AC, now beta, on this surface refraction will take place. Why this refraction will take place? Now rays have to, that colors have to come out. So the rays have to come out from glass to air. So these colors, they will bend towards the base of the prism, and they will form a pattern that we are calling Vibgyor, or that we can say visible spectrum. we can see this spectrum with our naked eyes. And these colors, they are not having the same width, beta. They are having the different width. Then violet color is having least wavelength. As we are going up, wavelength increases. But we see the formula. If wavelength and frequency, they are inversely proportional to each other. If wavelength is increasing, frequency is decreasing. So here this is increasing wavelength, and here beta what will be there? In this way, this will be increasing frequency. Violet color is having least wavelength. So if least wavelength is there, then refractive index will be maximum. So this violet color will deviate maximum. And red color, why it is deviating least? Because its wavelength is maximum. If wavelength will be maximum, then the refractive index will be less. So it will deviate less. The next thing, always remember, this at the first surface of the prism only dispersion will take place. At the second surface of the prism, refraction will take place because light has to emerge out. Then all the colors, they don't have same width. They are having different width. Then this wavelength is increasing from violet to red end, and frequency is increasing from red to violet